Introducing the Error Boundary class, which is a React component that serves as a catch-all for any errors that occur in the component tree. The constructor sets up the initial state with a property has error set to false. getDerivedState from error is a lifecycle method that captures errors in rendering. When invoked, it updates the state to indicate an error has occurred by setting hasError to true. componentDidCatch is another lifecycle method that is called after an error is caught. Here we add a call to log error to my service to log the error details. Now, let's focus on getDerivedState from error. It is a static method used to render a fallback UI before the next render after an error has been thrown. It does not trigger a re-render, hence it is often paired with componentDidCatch, which can perform side effects like logging. When render is invoked, the error boundary checks if hasError is true. If it is, we render a fallback UI, here represented by a simple h1 tag displaying the message something went wrong. If not, we simply render the children components, assuming everything is operating smoothly. Here we have a functional component myWidget which, for demonstration purposes, randomly throws an error half the time it renders. If mathRandom generates a value greater than 0.5, an error with the message widget error is thrown. Otherwise, it returns a message saying the widget is working fine. Now we'll see the myApp component using our error boundary. It renders two error boundaries. The first wraps myWidget. So, if myWidget throws an error, only it will be replaced by the fallback UI. The second error boundary wraps another component, similarly isolating any errors that occur within it. The log error to my service function is a placeholder for error logging logic. In a real-world application, you would replace the console error statement with a call to an error reporting service. Such services help you track, monitor, and respond to errors in production. To summarize, error boundaries are a useful feature in React for error handling. They allow you to capture errors in their respective component trees, log the errors, and show a user-friendly fallback UI, without crashing the entire application. This improves the user experience significantly, especially in large applications where errors in one component should break the whole app.